Wired car vacuums are all the rage. But in a cordless world, why go back to a plug? Here's why. Because your car's interior is likely filthier than a toilet seat, harboring far more germs. For many in the UK, this problem worsens, as 61% of drivers clean their car 6 times a year or less. The filth isn't just on the floor. It's concentrated in your boot, driver's seat, and gear stick. This is why consistent power matters. We'll show you the science and pro secrets that prove a cord is key to a truly clean car. So, you have a vacuum, but is it winning the fight? Let's inspect the critical failure point for most: inconsistent power. The biggest issue with cordless models is suction that degrades as the battery dies, leaving stubborn debris behind. The numbers don't lie. Wired vacuums deliver 15 to 20 kPa of suction, a huge jump from the 8 to 15 kPa of most cordless models. And then there's runtime. A battery will always deplete, often before a deep clean is finished. Wired power is unlimited. This power gap is most obvious with pet hair. Its removal needs the strong, constant suction that corded models provide. It's clear there's a power difference. But what is it about that plug that makes it mechanically superior? The answer is deep inside the motor. The simple answer is the motor itself. A direct power connection permits the use of higher amperage motors, free from battery capacity constraints. This powerful motor can achieve higher revolutions per minute, or RPMs. Higher RPMs spin the fan faster, creating more intense negative pressure, that is suction. But it's not just suction. A great vacuum needs 2 things: power to lift debris and strong airflow to carry it into the bin. A corded motor excels at both, and this isn't old technology. Many modern high-power vacuums now use advanced brushless DC motors. They are more efficient, run cooler, and last longer. So, the cord isn't just a power source. It is an enabler of superior engineering. It permits a motor designed for maximum performance, not for compromise. We have the science. But how does this raw power translate into a cleaner car? Let's look at how the professionals do it. Professional detailers know suction alone isn't enough for grounding dirt. They first use a stiff brush to agitate carpet, physically loosening embedded fibers. But this step is wasted without the power to extract what's been loosened. This is where a vacuum with fading suction fails, leaving the dislodged grit behind. For the deepest clean, pros use an even more powerful tool: an air compressor. They blast air into crevices, forcing out debris that brushes can't reach. This technique creates a large mess that needs immediate and efficient cleanup. It requires a vacuum with unlimited runtime and sustained high airflow. Pro techniques don't reduce the need for a powerful vacuum. They increase it. They rely on consistent high-performance suction as the final critical step. But even the best vacuum is useless if you don't maintain it. A single clogged filter can slash a vacuum's airflow by 50%, killing its performance. This is where larger dustbins, common on corded models, help. Fewer stops to empty means less chance of performance-killing clogs. And let's talk cost. Wired vacuums are often significantly more affordable up front. With no batteries to replace, they're cheaper long-term. So it's more powerful and cheaper. But what are the actual risks of not getting your car truly clean? The consequences are more severe than just germs. We've covered the hidden filth, the power gap, and the pro techniques. Now let's connect these threads to understand the complete picture. Remember the toilet seat comparison? And the germ hotspots in your car? That's the baseline problem we are all starting with. Now, combine that with the fact most of us only clean our cars a few times a year. This allows that filth to be ground deep into the fibers, becoming compacted. This is the critical insight. To remove that deeply embedded grime, you need a two-stage attack. Agitation to loosen it, and overwhelming power to extract it. And the risk of failing isn't just a dirty car. In the UK, a dirty windscreen can lead to hefty fines, proving true cleanliness is a matter of safety. So, the move towards powerful wired vacuums isn't a step backward. It's a direct response to the reality that a deep, hygienic clean requires real power. We've seen the shocking level of dirt, the clear engineering advantage of corded power, and how professionals depend on it. The evidence is clear. The choice isn't about old versus new technology. It is about the right tool for the job. Cordless convenience for crumbs, and wired power for the deep clean. Next time you sit in your car, don't just see the surface. Remember what's hidden beneath and ask yourself, is my vacuum truly up to the challenge?